Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is OnePlus Nord smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can check Android version of your phone OnePlus Nord. First go to the settings of your phone and go to about phone. Here you will see Android version. It is 11. If you click on Android version, you will have these options. First option is again Android version. If you press Android versions 3 times, what will happen? See here. It will show like this, and here itself you can check Android version 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots is available, and next is 11. See here, yes, this is 11. Wow, it's fantastic. So in this way you can easily check Android version of your phone OnePlus Nord. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.